Model, 66-plate Peugeot Boxer 335 L3 diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 van 130 PS, ULEZ compliant. Long MOT. Fares OR repair injector issues. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 113765. MOT, 24 September 2024. Engine, 1997 ccdw10 FUD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, will run eventually, but needs at least 2 injectors replacing. Better off putting a new setting. Engine sound perfect but keeps cutting out due to injector issues. Needs multiple injectors replacing. Easy repair for the right person. Worth getting the toolbox out to get this back on the road. Open mouth smile. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features,